Did you know that using the wrong cleaning products can actually make your home dirtier? Or that some products can cut your cleaning time in half if you use them correctly? And here's the big one. Did you know that the tools you're using might be the reason your home isn't as spotless as you'd like it to be? Today, we're going to dive into the world of cleaning products that will not only make your home sparkle but save you time and effort. From all-purpose cleaners to microfiber magic, these are the absolute best products that have been tried, tested, and proven to work. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to grab for a cleaner, healthier, and more organized home without wasting hours scrubbing. Let's start with the all-purpose cleaner, the workhorse of any cleaning routine. If you're juggling a busy schedule, this product will be your best friend. Say hello to Lysol Multi-Surface Cleaner. Whether it's kitchen counters, greasy stovetops, or even those bathroom tiles that somehow always get grimy, this cleaner cuts through it all like a champ. This product contains powerful cleaning agents that break down grease and grime on contact, so you don't have to spend ages scrubbing. With a quick spray and a simple wipe, your surfaces go from dirty to dazzling in seconds. It's ideal for families with kids or anyone who loves to cook but hates the cleanup afterward. The bonus? It kills 99.9% of bacteria, keeping your home not just clean, but hygienically safe. And here's something you'll love. It's perfect for stainless steel appliances. No streaks, no smudges, just shine. It's as if you've hired a professional cleaner to polish every surface. Now, who doesn't want that? Next on the list, Mr. Siga Microfiber Cloths. If you're still using paper towels or old rags, it's time to upgrade. Microfiber is a game changer in the cleaning world. It's designed to attract dust, dirt, and even bacteria, all while being eco-friendly and reusable. One cloth can be washed and reused hundreds of times, which not only saves you money, but reduces waste. Just look at that. These cloths trap dirt and dust instead of pushing them around like regular cloths or paper towels. And the best part? No chemicals are needed. You can clean windows, mirrors, or any glass surface with just a damp microfiber cloth, and it'll be sparkling clean. Plus, you'll cut down on paper towel waste, which is great for the environment. Now let's talk about deep cleaning. No matter how often you sweep or mop, there's one tool that you can't live without if you want a truly spotless home, a good vacuum cleaner. Enter the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV 360. It's powerful, lightweight, and versatile. Everything you need to keep your carpets, hardwood floors, and upholstery dust-free. Whether it's pet hair, dust bunnies, or the crumbs your kids leave behind, this vacuum handles it all. Its advanced suction technology lifts deep-seated dirt from carpets, while its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around the house. And for those tricky spots like stairs or tight corners, the lift-away feature lets you detach the canister, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. This vacuum is especially great if you have pets. Pet hair that would normally be stubborn to remove is no match for the Shark Navigator. It's perfect for deep cleaning in high-traffic areas of your home, and it leaves your floors looking brand new. If you've ever spent too much time trying to get streaks off your mirrors or windows, this one's for you. The legendary Windex Original Glass Cleaner makes sure your glass surfaces are crystal clear, without that frustrating, streaky finish. Look at that! The ammonia-based formula in Windex breaks down grease and smudges effortlessly, leaving a streak-free shine every single time. It's great for mirrors, windows, and even glass coffee tables. Plus, it dries quickly, so no more worrying about smears or fingerprints after you've just cleaned. Before we move on to our next must-have cleaning product, let's take a quick moment. If you're finding this video helpful, why not give it a thumbs up? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up with all our cleaning tips and tricks. We also have a special gift for you. You can grab your free copy of our Simplify Your Home ebook in the video description below. This step-by-step guide will help you declutter and maintain a clean, organized home. And don't worry, all the links for the cleaning products we're discussing today can also be found in the video description. Now let's get back to our cleaning essentials. Sometimes you need a quick solution for high-touch areas like doorknobs, remotes, or even kitchen counters. That's where Clorox Disinfecting Wipes come in. These pre-moistened wipes are not just for cleaning, they're for disinfecting. These wipes kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including cold and flu viruses, making them perfect for high-traffic areas of your home. They're incredibly handy for quick touch-ups or to maintain a germ-free home between deeper cleaning sessions. If you've got kids or pets, this is a must-have to keep your home sanitized. Now, when it comes to stubborn dirt and grime, nothing beats a good scrub. The OXO Good Grips all-purpose scrub brush is your go-to for those hard-to-clean areas like grout, bathtubs, and tile. It's ergonomically designed so you can get a good grip without straining your hand. It's small enough to get into tight spaces, but tough enough to remove the grime that's been sitting there for ages. This scrub brush is built to last, and it gets the job done without damaging your surfaces. Plus, the handle is comfortable, so you can scrub away without any discomfort. It's dirty. When it comes to mopping, you need something that makes the job as easy as possible. Enter the O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. This isn't your average mop. It has a built-in wringer that lets you control how wet or dry the mop head is, which is key for different types of floors. The microfiber mop head is designed to grab dirt, dust, and even the tiniest particles, leaving your floors clean without scratching them. It's perfect for hardwood, tile, and even laminate floors. And the best part? The mop head is machine washable so you can reuse it again and again, making it both eco-friendly and economical. Let's talk about something we all want but often neglect: clean, fresh-smelling air. You might have a spotless home, but lingering odors from pets, food, or just daily life can ruin that clean vibe. That's where Febreze air freshener comes to the rescue. Just a few sprays of this and you can completely transform your home's atmosphere. It neutralizes odors instead of just covering them up. Now it's like your home just took a deep breath of fresh air. Let's talk about one of the most dreaded cleaning tasks, the toilet, but it doesn't have to be. With the right product, you can get that toilet bowl sparkling clean and germ-free in no time. My top pick, Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Trust me, it's a game changer. Watch how this thick gel clings to the sides of the bowl. It's packed with bleach to tackle tough stains and eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. With just a quick scrub, even those stubborn water stains and grime disappear like magic. You'll have a toilet so clean you'll almost want to show it off, almost. And the best part? It leaves your bathroom smelling fresh and clean without that overpowering chemical smell. Clean isn't just about what you can see, it's also about the things you can't. Germs and bacteria are lurking on surfaces we touch every day. To keep your family healthy, disinfecting high-traffic areas is a must. Lysol disinfectant spray is a powerhouse when it comes to killing 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. A quick spray here and there can give you peace of mind knowing your home is not only clean but safe from harmful germs. And yes, it even tackles the flu and cold viruses that can easily spread around the house. So, there you have it, the ultimate cleaning products that are tried, tested, and approved. Whether you're tackling a deep clean or just doing a quick refresh, these tools will make your life easier and your home look better than ever. Remember, the right products can turn a daunting cleaning session into a breeze. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to remind you of a few important things. If you're finding our cleaning guide helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our Smartlife Solutions channel. Your support allows us to keep providing you with these valuable insights. Plus, we frequently have giveaways and exclusive content for our subscribers. But that's not all. We have a free Simplify Your Home ebook waiting for you. It's your ultimate roadmap to a clutter-free life, helping you turn chaos into calm, one room at a time. Check the video description to get your hands on this valuable guide. And remember, all the cleaning products we've discussed in this video can be easily found. We've made it convenient for you by providing all the product links in the video description, so you can start your journey towards a cleaner, healthier home right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home cleaning tips, hacks, and recommendations. And if you've got any must-have cleaning products I didn't mention, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.